We completed almost maximum 90% selectors we completed. And we completed style sheet types, except one, inline and internal complete చేసాం. ఇప్పుడు ఏముంది ఇంకా? We have external style sheet. Why external style sheet? Why external style sheet? 2 minutes. For example, assume these are 3 or 4 HTML files in one project. This is the entire project. For every HTML file, you have the top and the bottom. There are some same content. Top and bottom, that is header and footer, same, no change. And the content also same, and the menu bar also same, footer content also same, everything is same. If you are going to write the internal style to control the header and the footer, assume this is a black and this is blue. The same style you need to write here. Same style you need to write in the here. You need to write here and write here in the style area. Your client said in this area, background to be make dark purple. You need to change this here, 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 here. Of course, this is a 5 pages. You can handle it. What about 50 pages? What about 500 pages? Right? Definitely is a problem. There should be some mechanism. If you are going to handle any modification in one place, every area, every HTML file in a particular project to be changed. This is my requirement. For that, we need to write the external CSS. Simply, whatever the style you are going to write, you are going to take it out. Name this as any name, some name dot CSS. How we are giving the HTML as a extension, in the same way I'm giving the CSS extension. Okay, now this particular file I'm going to link in the head section. On every HTML file's head section. Okay, you are writing the style here with some name. The name is nothing but selector. Here you can use the selector. Something you are going to change here in essence, the change will occur in every page because you linked the same file in a multiple HTML pages. This is called external style sheet. When you can write external CSS, if more than one HTML file is there to handle the same design, in that case, you can write external CSS. Okay, this is actually Fonda. Okay, how to write external CSS? See, I'm going to create one folder here. So instead of that, what we can do is, actually it is the 11th day, but 11, I will do day. External CSS, open. Select the folder. I'm going to create one folder, not needed. I'm going to create 4 files. Okay, one is index.html. Okay, here I'm going to write the entire code. I'm going to copy paste. That will be better to make it fast. Okay. And what is this? This is index page. Here, I'm going to create the two div. One is div. After this, ul, li, okay, a, home. If I'm going to click this, this page should be open. What I'm going to do? Index, or else do one thing, /index.html. In this way, you can write. In this way, what I'm going to write? 3 pages. One is index, second one is about, third one is contact. Okay. So here I'm writing the external CSS. Create the another file, external.css. So external is not needed. Even it may be your name also. Okay. CSS is the extension. What I'm going to do? Header and the footer. Two selectors I'm going to write. One is header. Second one is footer. For the header, width is 100%. Height is some 100 px. Background color is red. Same way, I'm going to write here. This is some dark. Width is so and so. What here I'm going to do is, I need the space right between this. I'm going to maintain the margin. Margin top is something 200 px. That's it. Okay. I'm not touching anything about the ul and li. Here I'm going to call. How you can call this? First of all, you need to link the CSS file in your HTML file. Where it is? Beside your HTML file. Link is the HTML tag, not the style. Style is for internal. Link is for external. Link is two attributes are. One attribute one is relation. What kind of relation it is? It is a style sheet kind of relation. So it is a static. What is the second relation? Second thing, second attribute, what file to be attached. What is the file? external.css /external.css. So you linked in the sense you are able to use those selectors in your HTML file. Class equal to, what is the name? Header. What is the name? Footer. That's it. Now you can check it out. It is a header and it is a footer. Clear? Home, only home is there. This is about and it is contact. Okay. In the after the UL, I am writing H1. This is landing page. This is landing page. Control A, Control C. I'm going to create another file that is about.html. About.html. Control V. Okay. So this is what about page. For your confirmation only, I'm changing the names. about page. And this is also I'm changing title about page. Again Control A and the Control C. Coming to the another file, that is, what is that? Contact.html, and cross check this. Cross check contact. That's it. Contact. Control V. Contact.html. This is contact page. This is contact page. You can open any file. You can open any file. Refresh this. This is the landing page. About. This is about page. Content. Contact. Contact. You can able to navigate between the pages. In the HD prototype, how it's going to handle. If you create the prototype over there, programmer is going to write the code for that. Okay, so he created. What is the thing is, the client said, in every page, I need the heading to be centered, color should be something else, font should be changed. So I'm not touch anything. Simply I'm going to CSS page, H1, text align, center, font family, some anything, color is, that's it. Did I attach anything? No. Got it right? Your client said this should be something strong violet. I'm not touching anything because this file is linked with the multiple files. Coming here, instead of this, I changed this. If you are going to write internal style, every head section to be modified. Every head section to be modified. Now it is external, so that the particular CSS file with how many HTML files linked, those HTML files are changed automatically. This is about external style sheet. Are you clear or not? Clear? Right.